Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to add photos on Pinterest. So the first thing you need to do is to hop into any web browser you have on your phone and search for Pinterest. Now once you are already here on your account, go to your profile and you will see this plus icon near the search your pins. Now these options will pop up and under create, choose photo. Now select any image you want and once you're done, just hit done. Now you might already have a board, so all you have to do is just choose a board or you can create one. Now once you have already chosen a board or created a board, then a photo will be added into your Pinterest account.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.